The lengthy draft proposal, led by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, is also expected to assert that a 1975 federal law preempts states from imposing emissions rules, but the administration is not expected to immediately propose revoking California's waiver under the Clean Air Act to set its own rules. Automakers want changes to address lower gasoline prices and a shift in U.S. consumer preferences to larger, less fuel-efficient vehicles. They want revisions to the Obama standards to make it easier and less costly to meet targets, which vary depending on the size of vehicles and whether they are classified as cars or trucks. The Obama administration's rules, negotiated with automakers in 2011, were aimed at doubling average fleet-wide fuel efficiency to about 50 miles, 80 kilometers, per gallon by 2025. Senator Tom Carper, a Democrat, said the Trump administration is crafting a proposal that is dramatically weaker than any automobile manufacturer has requested and that also deliberately seeks to embark on a legal collision course with the state of California, a scenario that automakers, lawmakers, and the state of California have all repeatedly urged the administration to avoid. President Donald Trump in March 2017 told auto workers he would revisit the rules, which he suggested were harming auto jobs. The assault on the American auto industry is over, he said in Michigan. Earlier this week, two auto trade groups met with White House officials, including Christopher Liddell, a White House deputy chief of staff, to discuss the issue, a Trump administration official confirmed. The White House, California, and Transportation Department have held talks for months in an effort to reach agreement on revisions. Automakers, including General Motors co-chief executive Mary Ibarra and Toyota Motor Corp. 7203T, have repeatedly urged the Trump administration to try to reach agreement with California to maintain a national program. Stanley Young, a spokesman for Nichols, said, if enacted, this would harm people's health, boost greenhouse gas pollution and force drivers to pay more money at the pump for years. A group of 12 state attorneys general have threatened to sue if the Trump administration reverses the Obama-era rules. The letter led by Senator Ed Markey and Carper and signed by Senators Charles Schumer, Elizabeth Warren, Kamala Harris and others said they will oppose any unprecedented attack on the California waiver or on its standards. EPA Administrator Scott Pruitt on Thursday declined to answer if he would call for revoking California's waiver, but vowed to work to try to achieve commonality and an answer for both California and those states and our agencies.